Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your sound on Discord. So I have voice mod downloaded. You can use Clownfish as well. So you are going to select the voice that you want to change into. For instance, this banana one, I'm going to do that. You can listen to yourself here. Hello. Okay. And then go to Discord, go to user settings, go to voice and video. And then here you're going to change the input device to the voice mod virtual one. And if you check it here, you'll see that your voice has changed. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.